Bible Study Guide. Day 63, Numbers 21 to 22. The Israelites continue on their journey through the Transjordan and soon come to a land ruled by the Canaanite king of Arad. The king hears that the Israelites are coming, and he sends out his army to fight against them. However, the Israelites pray to God for help and defeat the Canaanite army. After their victory, the Israelites completely destroy the city of Arad and all its inhabitants. This is a harsh reminder that God commands them to completely exterminate the Canaanite nations, as they are wicked and have turned away from him. As the Israelites continue their journey, they grow impatient and begin to complain about the lack of food and water. In response, God sends poisonous snakes among the people, and many are bitten and die. The Israelites realize their mistake and ask Moses to intercede for them. God instructs Moses to make a bronze snake and attach it to a pole. Anyone who looks at the bronze snake will be healed from their snake bites. This event foreshadows Jesus being lifted up on the cross to save us from sin and death. The Israelites move on and camp at Oboth. Then they set out from Oboth and camp in Aya Abarim, and from there they move on and camp in the Zered Valley. They set out from there and camp alongside the Arnon, which is the border of Moab. The Israelites continue to travel through the Transjordan until they reach the valley in Moab, where the top of Pisgah overlooks the wasteland. Throughout their journey, God continues to provide for them and guide them towards the Promised Land. The Israelites continue their journey towards the Promised Land, but they must pass through the territories of King Sihon and King Og. Both kings refuse to let the Israelites pass through peacefully, so God gives them victory over both kingdoms. The Israelites capture their cities and take possession of their land. This further displays God's power and faithfulness in fulfilling his promise to the Israelites. It also shows that no human ruler or army can stand in the way of God's plans and protection for his people. As the Israelites continue to make their way towards Canaan, they camp in the plains of Moab. Balak, king of Moab, sees the Israelites and becomes afraid because of their numbers. He sends messengers to a man named Balaam, asking him to come and curse the Israelites. Balaam is known as a powerful diviner, and Balak hopes that his curses can weaken or even defeat the Israelites. However, God tells Balaam not to go with the messengers and not to curse the Israelites because they are blessed by him. Balak persists in his request, and God eventually allows Balaam to go with the messengers. However, God is angry with Balaam for going against his will, and the angel of the Lord shows up to block their path. Balaam's donkey sees the angel of the Lord and refuses to move, leading Balaam to become frustrated and beat the animal. However, God allows the donkey to speak and rebuke Balaam for his actions. God opens Balaam's eyes so he can see the angel of the Lord, and Balaam offers to turn back if God is displeased. The angel of the Lord warns Balaam to only speak what God tells him, and Balaam continues on with the messengers. When Balaam finally reaches Balak, they head to Kiriath Huzoth, where Balak sacrifices animals in an attempt to please God and persuade Balaam to curse the Israelites. Throughout these chapters, we see that no matter how powerful or influential a person or nation may seem, they are no match for God's plans and protection. This serves as a reminder for us to always put our trust in God and not rely on our own strength or abilities. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to help us spread the word. God bless you.